Hello there, 212 Dead here, with a quick video for you. I did end up getting second place at Table Salt for their shop league this past Sunday, and I chose to get 3 data life packs. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what we pull. Okay. Oh, nice. We got ourselves a creamy double R. Very nice. If you have speculations on ban lists, I mean, like especially with English, I am unsure if they would even want to put DAL on a ban list, but if there's a card that definitely would go on a ban list, is this card for sure. And in JP, speculation says if they want to hit DAL more, they definitely want to hit this card. My quote solution would be to put it to 2. However, I've had discussions with people. I definitely respect their opinions, and they also say that they would either 2 or put it down to 1. It would definitely limit the power of DAL if it's down to 1, where sure they're only getting this effect going off once, and they're gonna have a little bit of a harder time trying to get into this card. But let's go ahead and continue. Let's see what else we got. Put these climax on the side just because that's just the way I sort. And we got our rare origami. Don't really see people play this card, but it's not bad. It's not bad. And let's go ahead and open up the last pack. Shove this out of the way. Put this climax out. Ooh, not the Kareem card. I definitely do use one of these in the Kurumi waifu deck. It's not bad. It early plays with the Kurumi Brainstormer, and it's a top check X. It's not bad, but not bad for 3 packs. We definitely got basically the Chase double R in the whole set in English. So I thank you for watching, and I'll have more content for you guys as soon as I open up the other packs that I got from Play Live. Well, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.